In this video I will show you exactly what kind of apartment you can get nowadays here in Bali for $1,200 per month. Including a full tour of my new place, the area it's in and why I chose it. Let's see if it's worth it. So it's this kind of small apartment building on the rice fields. It's really amazing location, it's so peaceful area. It's really amazing to do morning walk here on this rice field road. It's just so beautiful. You can even see the volcanoes in the background. But the negative is that this road is super bumpy, so it's not super comfortable to drive, but apparently they're gonna fix it pretty soon. But otherwise the location is pretty much the best ever because it's in Peronan, the best area, and it's close to all the restaurants, gyms, everything like that, but at the same time very peaceful. But yeah, let's go inside and show the apartment and talk about some details. Like, there's still some construction around, so a little bit dong sound sometimes, but it hasn't been too bad. But yeah, it's not fully finished, this area yet. And I'm on the 3rd floor, so the views are pretty insane. Just like such a beautiful view. Like every time I come outside of the apartment, I really love that here. So welcome to my apartment. It's basically a studio, but there's this huge curtain you can close down this whole bedroom area. So yeah, technically it's one bedroom with very comfortable bed. There's one AC here, and yeah, it's brand new. Like they opened up a few months ago, I think. Not even that. And yeah, the design is quite nice. The price $1,200 per month is a little bit pricey for a studio like this, but this view is just incredible. Like, it's so beautiful. And the best thing here has been the sofa. It's so comfortable, like this huge sofa. It's really nice to have. And by the way, if you want to take your digital nomad journey to the next level, inside my school community, the Nomad tribe, you will get access to my exclusive accommodation recommendations, the best places I have discovered from years of nomad life, step-by-step video guides to help you travel smarter and live better abroad. And you will also get personalized support in our private WhatsApp group chat whenever you need any advice. And real connections with like-minded people in our meetups and calls. So it's not just about information, it's about having community that got your back wherever you are in the world. So join the Nomad tribe today. I will leave link in the description. You can also scan the QR code. And yeah, the feedback has been amazing since I opened up the community. There's a lot of people getting so much different kind of value from the community. So hope to see you inside. And there's a little kitchen table and working table with the fastest Wi-Fi ever. Like, I haven't seen this kind of speeds in Bali anywhere else before this. It's been really nice. Big fridge, of course, water, kitchen area that can be closed here, which is quite nice. And yeah, a little balcony also. You can actually see the sunset from here, which has been incredible to be able to watch it at home any day, anytime. Like, that's just so beautiful. But otherwise the balcony is a little bit small. There's never sun here, so it's not really perfect. But yeah, overall this place has been very nice. And the ground floor apartments are the one that have the pool area, which is pretty nice, but I personally prefer the view from up here in the 3rd floor. And also, as there's many pool clubs and gyms with pool areas close by anywhere that I always go to, so it's not really super necessary to have my own pool, I guess. But yeah, you can definitely save some money if you share a villa with friends. You can get affordable price for even brand new villas that are really beautiful. So it's not really the most affordable places in Bali nowadays. These kind of apartments and lofts, they can be a little bit pricey. But yeah, this is for a few months. So of course, if you rent yearly, it's gonna be more affordable. And a little bit more about the area, what's close by. For example, for gyms is Elite Fit, which is nice gym, recovery and co-working option. But also there's Wrong Gym, which is one of the most popular gyms plus recovery plus classes place here in Peronan in Canggu area, and also there's Jungle Paddle close by, my favorite paddle place, the easiest place to find open games to play in. And when it comes to restaurants, there's Open House, which is the most popular restaurant among expats and nomads, and also there's, for example, Boheme, which is amazing restaurant with pool and rice field view. There's Roots, which is place with amazing food, and so much more. There's just so many cafes and spas and like everything. It's very trendy area, but the good thing is that it's still not too busy with traffic. It's quite relaxing, especially closer to the beach. It's yeah, pretty peaceful. And there's Tribal, also a very popular co-working spot where you can go for free, just order something. So yeah, people really like to work there. And this is the bathroom. The only problem in this place so far that has been pretty bad is there's a huge smell in the bathroom. Otherwise it's super nice design and everything, but yeah, they still haven't been able to fix the smell. So as long as they can fix that, then this apartment is gonna be super comfortable place to live, like way better than guest house. Like you just have your own place. I would say it's definitely been worth the upgrade if you can afford in Bali compared to guest house. But in the beginning of your journey, of course, guest house can be amazing because you will meet more people than in this kind of place. And yeah, with the price also electricity is not included, so there's some like $50 to $100 extra coming from that. But otherwise everything is included, cleaning 3 times a week, water refill, that kind of thing. So yeah, do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.